Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In our new series, by popular demand, we bring you I-49. Over our next few videos, we'll travel all of I-49 that is signed as of July 2020, plus the parts of US 71 that connect the disjointed portions. We've covered the original portion of I-49 South in Louisiana in the past, but today we'll cover the rest beginning in Missori at its northern terminus at approximately mile 185, as currently indicated by the mileposts. Maps and descriptions of the route indicate I-49 South's beginning at the on-ramp from Bannister Road, but the first actual I-49 milepost is about a mile later and it reads 183.8. We're in Kansas City, Missouri, not to be confused with Kansas City, Kansas, which is just 7 miles to the northwest of here. KCMO had an estimated population of 495,327 as of 2019. Kansas City is located in Jackson County, which is the second most populous county in Missouri, after St. Louis County with an estimated 703,011 people. We leave Kansas City and enter the city of Grandview, which had an estimated population of 24,856 as of 2019. A post office called Grandview has been in operation since 1889. The city was named for the view obtained from the elevated town site. Located in Grandview is the Truman Farm Home National Historic Site, where our nation's 33rd president, Harry S. Truman, spent most of his younger years. The site is temporarily closed for tours, but the grounds are open every day from dawn until dusk. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. Here we cross into Cass County in the city of Belton, which had an estimated population of 23,642 as of 2019. Belton was platted in 1871. The city was likely named for surveyor Captain Marcus Lindsay Belt. A post office named Belton has been in operation since 1872. Cass County was organized in 1835, originally as Van Buren County, but renamed in 1849 for U.S. Senator Lewis Cass of Michigan. Cass County had an estimated population of 104,954 as of 2018. We enter the city of Raymore, one of the fastest growing cities in the state of Missouri. The estimated population as of 2019 is 22,194, showing near exponential growth over the last 50 years. Raymore was platted in 1874. The name Raymore is an amalgamation of the surnames of two railroad men, Ray and Moore. A post office called Raymore has been in operation since 1872. The Watkins Family Farm Historic District was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 2007. The farm includes 18 contributing buildings, 3 contributing sites, and 21 contributing structures dated between about 1868 and 1957. They include 3 residential buildings, 8 barns, 3 machine and implement sheds, 4 wells, 10 dams and ponds, and a number of ancillary structures such as a milk house, a pump house, an outhouse, a silo, 2 corn bins, 2 chicken coops, 3 cattle feeder structures, and a cattle loading ramp. The Allen Watkins residence was built in 1913 and is a 2.5-story prairie school-style frame dwelling built from the Sears & Roebuck Company prefabricated kit for Sears House Plan No. 227, the Castleton. We enter the city of Peculiar, whose town motto is "Where the odds are with you." Early settlers of the town came to western Missouri by riverboat from Illinois, Iowa, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Ohio. Peculiar also had families coming from Tennessee, Kentucky, and Virginia. In 1868, the county surveyor, Robert Cass, platted Peculiar and was filed as the town of Peculiar. There are at least 2 versions of the story of how Peculiar received its name. The first involves the community's first postmaster, Edgar Thompson. His first choice for a town name, Excelsior, was rejected because it already existed in Atchison County, Missouri. Several other choices were also rejected. The story goes that the annoyed Thompson wrote to the Postmaster General himself to complain, saying, among other things, "We don't care what name you give us so long as it's sort of peculiar." Thompson submitted the name Peculiar and the name was approved. The post office was established on June 22, 1868. In an alternate version, according to Missouri folklorist Margot Ford McMillan, early settlers were searching for a location to farm. As they cleared a small rise and looked below, one remarked, "Well, that's peculiar. It's the very place I saw in a vision back in Connecticut." The land was purchased and eventually a village sprang up on it which was named Peculiar. Peculiar had an estimated population of 5,323 as of 2018. We enter the city of Harrisonville, the county seat of Cass County. Harrisonville had an estimated population of 10,078 as of 2019. We conclude our video here at mile marker 160. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.